Welcome back to the Autovex. The scene opens inside a sleek, high-end garage where soft white lights reflect off polished floors. And standing in the center is a bold, aggressive machine, the customized 2026 Kios, a compact SUV that has been transformed into a sporty, head-turning masterpiece, showcasing how modern design and performance styling can completely redefine a practical vehicle. And from the very first moment, it becomes clear that this is not your average family SUV, this is a statement on wheels. As the camera slowly moves around the rear of the vehicle, the Sportage immediately grabs attention with its deep red metallic finish combined with blacked-out accents, creating a striking contrast that enhances its sporty personality, while the sharp LED taillights stretch across the rear, giving it a futuristic and premium look. And the aggressive rear diffuser paired with dual exhaust outlets adds a performance-inspired touch, making it look more like a high-performance crossover than a typical SUV. And the wide stance and low-profile tires further emphasize its athletic character. Moving along the side profile, the Sportage's sculpted body lines and aerodynamic design come into focus, with large alloy wheels filling the arches perfectly, while the lowered stance and custom detailing give it a more planted and dynamic appearance. And the gloss black roof and trim elements add to the premium feel, creating a design that is both modern and aggressive, appealing to younger drivers and enthusiasts who want something unique and a step inside. And the transformation continues with a cabin that blends sportiness with modern comfort, featuring a black and red interior theme that immediately sets the tone, with red ambient lighting running across the doors and dashboard, creating a futuristic atmosphere, while the sport seats with contrast stitching provide both comfort and support. And the digital dashboard and large infotainment screen ensure that the vehicle remains technologically advanced, offering features such as smartphone connectivity, navigation, and multimedia controls, making it as functional as it is stylish. Under the hood, the 2026 Kia Sportage is expected to offer a range of efficient and responsive engines, including turbocharged options that provide a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. And while this custom version focuses heavily on design and visual performance, the driving experience remains smooth and capable, with responsive acceleration and a refined power delivery that makes it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. And the suspension setup ensures a comfortable ride while maintaining enough stiffness for confident handling. Performance in this Sportage is more about balance than outright speed, offering a driving experience that is both enjoyable and practical, while the precise steering and stable chassis provide confidence behind the wheel. And as the cinematic sequence shows the SUV cruising through city streets at night, it becomes clear that this vehicle is designed to deliver a blend of everyday usability and sporty appeal, making it a versatile choice for modern drivers. Technology plays a key role in enhancing the overall experience, with advanced features such as driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors, ensuring safety and convenience in everyday driving, while the infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, allowing drivers to stay connected and entertained on the go. And the integration of modern features ensures that the Sportage remains competitive in its segment. One of the most unique selling points of this customized 2026 Kia Sportage is its bold design and individuality, offering a level of style and presence that is rarely seen in compact SUVs, while its combination of sporty aesthetics and practical functionality makes it an appealing option for those who want something different. And this ability to stand out while still being usable on a daily basis is what makes it truly special. As the cinematic sequence reaches its peak, the Sportage is shown with its doors open under dramatic lighting, highlighting the red ambient glow inside, while the exterior reflects the surrounding lights, creating a visually stunning moment that captures the essence of this vehicle's attitude and modern design. And in that moment, it becomes clear that this is more than just a caprice, an expression of personality. In conclusion, the 2026 Kia Sportage Custom Edition proves that even a practical SUV can be transformed into something exciting and unique, combining modern technology, stylish design, and everyday usability into a single package. And as the final shot fades out with the vehicle standing confidently in the garage, it leaves a lasting impression as a compact SUV that dares to be different, showing that performance isn't just about speed, it's also about presence and style. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.